Hello Libra, this will be your weekly love reading from 23rd of August to 29th of August. Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus. If you have in your birth chart in Libra, then this is the reading for you. Please keep in mind that energy can go vice versa or interchangeable. So take it however it resonates with you. If you like this reading, please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. Also, if you want to book a personal reading with me, you can email me. Email ID is given in the description box. Let's start your reading. Eight of Swords, the Wheel, Four of Wands, Six of Pentacles, the Hermit. Bottom of the deck we have Eight of Cups. This card is coming so much of time. I don't know why. I hate it actually. So, first of all, I will tell you about the signs. Sign are here we have Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Sagittarius is again here as specifically, and Virgo is here as a Hermit, and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn we have. So we have almost every sign, water sign, fire sign, earth sign, air sign. Every sign is present here. Okay. So let's start your reading. We have Eight of Cups, bottom of the deck. So you are very dissatisfied and dissatisfied with this relationship right now, which is you are in right now. So you are just walking away from this relationship basically, because you are not getting the wish fulfillment, you are not getting anything, so you are just going for your wish fulfillment basically, because Eight of Cups is just 8 cups, and now you know that everything is there, but you are still feeling a void actually in your heart basically. So you're not getting your wish basically, so you're just walking away to get your wish fulfilled, because after Eight of Cups, Nine of Cups is there. That is a wish fulfillment card. So your wish is to get that kind of person which you want in your life, that will be loving, caring and very emotional relationship between you two. Okay, so I can see that there is an offer also. Okay, Page of Pentacles, maybe a earth sign person who is watching you from afar maybe, and they want to offer you something, maybe a Capricorn. Okay, so this person wants to offer you something, but this person is little bit hesitant. Okay, they don't open up their emotions towards you, because they think that if they will open up, they will hurt you. Okay, so they are just keeping it to themselves, and they just started with their small offer, not like very big offer. So there will be a back and forth communication between you two. In future I can see that it will be hidden, it is hidden actually, and you're right now in near future basically it will happen. Basically there is back and forth communication with this person, and I can see that some hot topics also it will be discussed in this kind of conversation. So the hot topic will be Ten of Cups, like you will be discussing about getting settled, and maybe you will be showing the interest in them to get settled, or they will be showing their interest to get settled. So something like that it will happen to you. Okay, so first card here we have is Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords is here. That means right now you are in very much dilemma, or you can say you are like in a trap basically. You are thinking like you have been in a trap and you don't know what to do, and you are not able to do anything actually. Okay, so Eight of Swords is representing here is that you are not able to do anything in this relationship. You think like you cannot do basically anything, because you think like your hands are tied together, and you don't see anything clearly. Okay, so right now you're not taking any action, but universe is saying just you have to take some actions, otherwise universe will take action. Okay, I think that universe is taking any action, because it was something like it has already been in the past now, and universe have already planned for you something, and that is a wheel of fortune. So abundance is coming for you, um, fortune, good fortune is coming for you, and universe is saying that if you don't accept this offer, I will just give it to you. Okay, so the wheel of fortune is here, that means abundance and prosperity is coming in your way. So maybe in the form of marriage basically, because the next card is four of wands. So most of you are getting the offer you wanted from so long with this person. So I guess this person want to offer you, or they have offered you, or they will offer to you four of wands. Okay, four of wands is stable marriage commitment, and they want to celebrate life with you basically, they want to be with you basically. So earlier your relationship was not like equal give and take, now they want to give equal give and take in this relationship. They will invest whatever you have been given up. Now I think this person will give you all the means investment. They will invest their time, they will invest their effort in this relationship. So I can see that now it will be a equal give and take for you. Okay, so right now you will be thinking like what to do now, because the hermit is here, that means you will be in a hermit mode. You don't know what to do basically, so you will be asking yourself if you want this relationship or not, because you have seen so many of the changes in this person, so you are very much confused what they are up to basically, or just they are showing it, and maybe in future they will again turn out to be the same person that they were before. So you will be just taking a look, and you are just thinking what to do next, and you are asking yourself whether this is good for me or not. So let me pull out one outcome card for you. Nine of wands and death and rebirth. So I can see that you are going through a transformation basically, and universe is saying go through it. Okay, go through it, and new dawn will come. Okay, and everything will be all right after this. Okay, so this is the toughest phase of your life, but you will be getting through it, because here we have nine of wands. So universe is saying just you should be very consistent, persistent, and just stand for your belief basically. So whatever you believe that you want this type of connection, so don't settle for less basically. Universe is saying that because you were hurt before with this person, right? So let's see Queen of Moon oracle card for you this week. Peace and blossom. So blossoming is there, so I think you will be your heart chakra will open up, and I think blossoming will come, and everything what you think that this is just destroyed in your life, I think it is re-blossoming basically. And now I think new love is coming, maybe with this person only, and everything will turn out very beautiful. Okay, universe is saying like that. So you are advised to keep yourself at peace. Okay, and don't just talk too much, just be in yourself, and be in peace, so that everything will come out to be true, whatever you wished for. Okay, universe is saying like that. So This was your reading Libra. Please like, share and subscribe my channel King of Cups Tarot. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can book through email me. Email ID is given in the description box below. Thank you for watching.